Happy birthday, happy birthday, have a happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, have a happy.
Hey guys, I just had my birthday dinner at the Punjab Grill and I did some vlogging. I have not spoken much in the vlog because you know there is a lot of disturbance when you vlog at outside. So I hope you guys will enjoy my vlog today, and I have my family with me. My husband is with me and my baby is obviously sitting in his stroller. So that's what it is, and I wish you guys good night. Bye. Hey guys, I know it's May, but I did film my birthday vlog in the month of February and I am extremely sorry for uploading it so late. I was quite busy and I could not finish editing of this video, but here I am to share what I did on my birthday. So we went for a dinner and we went to Jaz Karla in Marina Bay Sands. It's a very nice Indian cuisine Punjabi hotel, and we had the regular chicken and bhai and butter naan, garlic naan, some aloo paratha for my son. This is how the hotel look, and the ambience is quite nice. I have been there for the first time. I thought it's going to be really huge considering the cost of the hotel. The prices are really expensive, and the location, I thought it's going to be very huge, but it wasn't a very big. They just have the glasses everywhere around the hotel, so it looks like it is quite big. After the dinner we just went out and we saw this esplanade area where people usually come and sit down on weekends and enjoy. Usually there are a lot of events, free events happen at these places, so you can enjoy good time there. And this is how Marina Bay Sands look from outside, and this is me. I was wearing a very nice smoky eye, a bit dark red lips, and my outfit I shared on my Instagram and Facebook. I did share the makeup tutorial on my main channel. So this is the ground floor of Marina Bay Sands. This is how it looks at night. Everything looks nice and very classy. This is one of my favorite mall in Marina Bay Sands. It does have a mirror passing by under the mall where they have boats, so it's beautiful. They have casino at one floor. My husband was very excited to go to casino, but we cannot go with the baby. Baby was not allowed. So my husband said he will show me around some of the places. And this is the entry of the casino where they let people inside. This is how everything looks. I had an amazing dinner and everything was nice. My baby was well behaved. My husband took me to my birthday dinner. He has booked it in advance. So it was kind of nice, very pleasant birthday. I can say one of my best birthday because I really wanted to go to Jaz Karla from really long time. Jaz Karla from a really long time. So once you have seen my night, I'm going to show you what I did in the daytime. In the morning of my birthday, I went to Sentosa. It's a small island and it is very close to Singapore. You go there by train or you can just walk by through passage. And basically it was a Chinese New Year long weekend during my birthday time. So Singapore was full of people. It was very crowded. Here I am just waiting to board my Sentosa train. They have very pretty green, pink, blue, yellow metro trains with just 2 engines. They look quite cute. This is the one and a very cute thing that I observed after coming to Singapore for the first time. Once we boarded the train, it passes through harbor front, or you can see a lot of river boats, cruise, yachts, and all the marine shipments. You can see how they transport everything in there. You do have subway, and this is inside the reflection on the glass. So then we reached the first station, and I was just looking around the view. The weather was quite nice. and I really enjoyed that day. And since it was Chinese New Year weekend, it was really crowded, but that's okay. This guy told me not to take pictures or video recording. He was just asking money to take pictures with the python. So that's what I have in the clip. And then we have this beautiful Chinese characters for the Chinese New Year celebration, everything like that. I really like this cute characters. Do let me know in the comment section if you know what you call them. I think they are Chinese dolls. And then this is me. This is what I wore at the daytime because we went to the beach and it was quite nice weather and all, so I thought of taking sunglasses and wearing something bright. And this is my husband from the back. And close to the beach, there are a couple of beaches in Sentosa, so you can choose wherever you want. I usually like to go to Siloso beach. Outside the beach there is Indian restaurant called Curry Corner, where you can have your food, but that day we didn't choose to eat the Indian food, we choose something Italian. This is my baby waving hi to you guys, and this is what my husband bought. This is chicken bolognese and some chicken spaghetti and also chicken satay with some salad. So this is what we all three had for our lunch, and it was quite yummy. Chicken satay is one of my favorite dishes in Singapore. I really love to eat, and that's 100 plus. That's actually a energy drink. And this is me just having my food, enjoying the weather. The weather got quite hot later on in the day. I did not go into the beach, but my baby and my husband did go because my son loves water, so I was well prepared for him for water. And then after that we had our ice creams. I like this gold ice cream. It turns my tongue also gold. Let me know if you have tasted it and do you like it. There are promotions of this all over Singapore. Then we had free palm reader here, so I did show my hand to her, and she did predict some of my future things along with my husband, and I did kiss him, and he was like, "What did you do?" Then at the night time we saw this show, Wings of Time. They keep on changing these evening shows every time new, so I went there after a long time. I really like the show, so I will leave you guys here to watch the show.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, have a happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, have a happy birthday. Today, there is only one thing that you must do. Okay, listen as we all sing this song for you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, have a happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, have a happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, have a happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, have a happy birthday.
Look at that! We're reaching Britain in the 19th century. Uh-oh, it's going.
So I hope you guys enjoyed my birthday vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I am very soon going to share my Phuket and vlogs, Thailand vlogs. I have already edited those videos, so those are going to come after these. If you like this video, do leave me your comments below and let me know what did you do this year or what is your plan for next year for your birthday. I love you guys so much. I will see you once again. Bye.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, have a happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, have a happy